At Outdoorlink, our mission has always been clear: to help our clients manage their assets as efficiently and effectively as possible. With our Outdoorlink Smart Controllers, previously known as SmartLink, we've given businesses the tools to monitor their billboards, kiosks, and other assets remotely, saving time, reducing cost, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. But as we worked with our clients, one thing became clear: operational efficiency is just the start. Managing an asset is one thing, but what about making it stand out? How do you turn a well-managed billboard into a billboard that sells out its ad space? That's where SignBird comes in. We acquired SignBird because we saw a gap we could fill for our clients. While Outdoorlink ensures that assets are operationally efficient, lights are on, power is managed, and downtime is minimized, SignBird takes it further by making those assets marketable. SignBird specializes in creating high-quality visuals, from stunning drone footage of billboards to professionally produced pitch videos. These are the kinds of tools that help our clients attract advertisers and fill ad space. The synergy between Outdoorlink and SignBird is what makes this partnership so exciting. With Outdoorlink Smart Controllers, our clients have the confidence that their assets are always performing at their best. And with SignBird, they now have the creative edge to make those assets shine in a crowded market. Think about it this way: Outdoorlink provides the foundation. Outdoorlink Smart Controllers make sure that your billboard or kiosk is up and running, no matter where it's located. You can control power, troubleshoot issues, and reduce site visits, all from your phone or desktop. SignBird builds on that foundation by helping you market those assets. They create pitch videos that showcase the unique features of your billboard's location, high-quality drone footage that captures the scale and appeal of your site, and even strategies to help you communicate with potential advertisers. For our clients, this is a game changer. They don't just have operational efficiency, they now have marketing power. It's the full package, and it's something we're incredibly proud to offer. When we brought SignBird into the Outdoorlink family, we weren't just adding a service, we were creating a complete solution for our clients. Whether you're managing a single billboard or an entire network of digital displays, we've got you covered. Outdoorlink ensures everything runs efficiently, and SignBird makes sure it stands out. If you're already an Outdoorlink client, or if you're just hearing about us for the first time, let's talk about how this partnership can work for you. Together, we're redefining what's possible in the advertising industry.